In this video, we're going to show how to replace the casters on a Royal Sovereign laminator. First, what we need is something to raise the laminator up. Find a box, a milk crate, or something like that. We're going to set this underneath the laminator. Come to the side. Lift from the bottom here and on this side. And we're going to lift up the laminator and put it on a support. You want to make sure that the laminator is not going to rock on you and is stable before proceeding. We want to identify what type of caster we have to replace. Your front caster will have the locks. Your back caster will just be a rolling caster without the locks. What you'll need is a 7/8 wrench, open end wrench, and you want to locate the nut on the caster. You'll find a lock washer. You want to replace that lock washer onto the new caster. Insert the caster into the hole. And replace it. And you're all set to go. Now all we need to do is lower the laminator back off the support by picking up from the bottom and dropping the laminator back down.
For authentic Royal Sovereign parts and services in Canada and the Caribbean, please contact All Graphic Supplies.